If you really want to soak in 11 days of Fiesta fun, you gotta fuel your body right. So here to help us watch our waistline is registered dietitian nutritionist Annie Bell with Fit Therapy of Texas. Annie, I gotta say 2 words. You know what they are. Viva Fiesta!
Viva Fiesta!
So we are all very excited because you actually found a way for everyone at home to be able to get into the Fiesta spirit without that guilt and without thinking, oh, but without sacrificing flavor either.
Right.
All right, so what do we have for us?
So today I'm going to show you how to make a lower calorie, high protein, cheesy guacamole.
And she said cheesy too.
So
you know.
Cheesy always sounds good. The interesting twist here is we're using cottage cheese, which sometimes makes people a little like, oh, cottage cheese. But we have run the cottage cheese through the blender.
Look at this, guys.
And the
so
consistency,
you think
yes.
it looks like crema, but in reality, she just put
cottage cheese, which is high protein, low carb. And you are mashing up our avocado, which is super nutritious.
So how many avocados are in here?
That is three medium ones.
Okay, nice. So then you just mash them up?
Mashing up the avocados. So we're taking out some avocado, replacing it with the low carb, high protein cottage cheese. We're gonna thin it out a little bit more with some pico de gallo, that pre-made from H-E-B, super easy. If you wanna put that in there, and then we can add our cottage cheese.
Awesome. So I'm just going to assume that everybody at home likes their guacamole nice and chunky.
Well, so the cottage cheese makes it super smooth, right?
There we go.
And then I'm just adding a little bit of cumin and some garlic. Go ahead and put that cottage cheese in.
I just can't believe this is cottage cheese. I'm still trying to process this. I gotta make this at home. So is the flavor that much different?
Well, so it makes it nice and creamy. I don't think it adds a little bit of a tang. It's really good. Wait till you try it.
Oh my goodness.
We're doing salt and pepper to taste. So the beauty of this is we are decreasing the calories by about 35%. We're going from 155 calories down to 100 calories per half cup.
So this is half a cup of guacamole for just 100 calories.
Yes, and we're tripling the protein.
And triple the protein, and that means it's gonna keep you fuller longer, you're gonna have more energy to be able to do all the parades.
And then I wanted to talk a little bit about these chips. These are called beanitos. They're from a company out of Austin. They're chips made out of beans.
Ooh.
So for every ounce, you get another 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. So super filling, very nutritious. I mean, in an ideal world, in an ideal dietitian's world, we'd all be enjoying our guacamole with celery sticks and carrot sticks, but this is Fiesta. This is Fiesta. This is San Antonio. We're real people.
And of course,
this is worth a try. We'll put a little bit on the plate here.
Yes, absolutely. So,
and then lastly, we're gonna do our
this
margarita.
is what I'm really excited about. So you've heard of all the skinny margaritas out there.
Yeah, there's lots of skinny margarita mixes on the market. If you find one you like, go for it. I haven't yet. I love this little concoction though.
She found one that's really good.
So a regular margarita has 300 to 700 calories.
Just one margarita?
One margarita, so it's really hard to keep your calories in check if you're drinking margaritas. Oh. But this one's gonna only have 115. So this is 6 ounces of diet lemon lime soda, like Sprite Zero.
Oh, nice, okay.
And then we're gonna use an ounce or 2 of fresh lime juice. I really think it's the fresh lime juice that makes this recipe taste really good.
That much better.
And then we're gonna add a little bit more sweet flavor with these water enhancement drops. We're gonna use just a little bit of lemon and a little bit of orange to sort of replace that triple sec.
What a great idea.
These are sugar-free, super concentrated, so you just need a tiny bit. And then of course, your favorite tequila.
You gotta have the tequila.
And you mix that up. You can stir that up. And boom,
Annie, you really did it for us.
This is 115 calories versus 300 or 700. Super tasty. It's
300
super refreshing.
versus 700. I love it.
Yes.
Oh, this is so good.
Really
this
good,
is
right?
so good. Yes, thank you so much, Annie.
You're welcome.
And make sure you guys go check out the website at Fit Therapy of Texas, or you can also give them a call because right now they have an incredible offer. They're offering 15% off of any of their services. So make sure you go visit the website. Once again, it's fittherapyoftexas.com. Send them a message, let them know that you watched the segment right here on Great Day SA, and they're going to hook you up 15% off.